Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I will show you where to find this device's specifications. First go to the Start menu, then open Settings, and in Settings select System, then scroll down the list to About, and in the About section you will find the basic information about all of your devices hardware. Down here you can find the brief description of your device's specifications and also the specifications of your Windows. If you want to know more about your device's hardware and specifications of your hardware, right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and here open the Performance section. And in the Performance section you can switch tabs and check the specifications of each element of your hardware and also monitor them in real time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.